is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Malaysia. This is from Meet Me, and this is their chili Wantan me. This is some groovy stuff, I have a feeling. So let's get right to it. That, we got that, we got that, we got that. We got a lot of that. And I'm going to let you watch me make it so. How about that? How's that? Yeah, that works, that works. Just like a dad, yeah! I don't know, I'm feeling kind of wacky. Maybe it was just like the severe amount of cold that went through my bones while I was out walking around. There is the noodle block. There it goes. Let's just do this. I think that'll work. Oh, no. This. Now that can go in there. So, I'm planning on doing something weird after this is all done. Just like a strange kind of cooking video. Ooh, something weird. So, it'll involve pickles, creamy chicken, perhaps a tortilla. I don't know. Maybe Wonder Bread. Regardless, I'm going to make a thing. I don't know if it's going to be any good, but I'm going to make the thing. I make things from time to time. Why is it not? Yeah, sometimes I push the wrong button. This is the soup base, or you drain it. So this is the seasoning base. This is chilies. And this is fish cake. It's fried or dried, or I don't know which, but you know what I really wish I could do is just play any music I wanted. You know? And sometimes I just think to myself, gee, why don't I just do that? And I have a feeling today is the day that, at least for this that we're doing right now, and in honor of a friend of mine, I don't know if this will exist for very long, but where is it? Here you go. So this is something that I listen to when I go out walking all the time. This is Jean-Luc Ponty. And this is an album called Enigmatic Ocean. I listen to a lot of music like this, and a good friend of mine, his Grace, what's his name? The Reverend Dick Gazinia, JB from the UK, he was like, dude, yeah, this one. And he was right. And I've listened to this so much in the last, 6 months, 8 months, almost a year. It's such a freaking good album, folks. See, I'm just telling you to listen to it. I'm not trying, I'll wet your beak on it, Alright, whoa. Look at this one. Chili wonton meat. The wonton has to do with the gauge in the noodle and the type of noodle. But I am ready to give this a good flavor taste. It's funny because a lot of these they tell you to cook them in different ways, and this one is totally different. Cheers. Very sweet. Like a fish cake. Wow. Very unique. So now I'm going to play something else. What else should I play? Oh. No, is it C? I think it's folder C. Bear with me. This is a music library called Library of Sound Groove, or Library of Sound Grooves Actions. I'm not going to use that one.
This video is...
Yeah, this is Italian experimental music. This is part of the genre known as library music. Something I highly recommend. There's a documentary called The Library Music Film, and I can't recommend it more. Hardcore. It's basically music that's not for you. That's really good. But yeah, hopefully you'll be able to hear this. I don't know what YouTube will do about this, but I don't care. I've been wanting to do this for a while. If I don't make any money off this video, so be it. I don't care. It's funny, it's just so dark. Now I think we will listen to Funky Fanfare. Probably the most recognizable library music ever. Off an album called unusual sounds. Alright, well cool, thanks for watching. Yeah, this one's really interesting. I'm gonna have to have a few bites of this to figure out whether I like it or not. I don't know, are you just watching my lips moving? Did YouTube cancel my video? I don't know. If they did, you know, I knew there was a chance. But if they didn't, check some of these tunes out, you know? It's nice to be able to recommend music for people, or stuff that I like. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I'll be back on Monday, my time. It's Friday, so yeah, have a good one. Bye-bye.